Good evening. This idea of a delay, or what's called a continuance in the trial, came up right at the end of the day after the jury had gone home. It was during the middle of a legal fight with both sides throwing out accusations.
We don't need a delay.
That's what Karen Read told reporters coming out of court, but minutes earlier, it was her lawyer, Robert Alessi, who raised the possibility that this trial might need to be put on hold.
Okay, a continuance for how long?
I could have a better answer, perhaps, to that question tomorrow.
Both sides accused the other of dumping new expert reports with the trial already underway. Both sides said they need more time to evaluate what the other has come up with. Read said she agrees with Alessi's accusation that the prosecution is trying to ambush her.
Yeah, he's correct. Everything Bob says, replay it back, I feel exactly the same. They're trying now to put on a defense against my defense.
Much of the day was taken up by testimony from the medical examiner who performed an autopsy on John O'Keefe's body. Dr. Irini Scortibello determined that he died from blunt impact injuries to the head, but also from hypothermia after being left out in the snow.
And I included the hypothermia because I saw during the autopsy that there were changes consistent with hypothermia.
The defense tried to pick apart that hypothermia diagnosis. They say O'Keefe was killed inside the house at 34 Fairview Road and only then dragged out into the cold. They also highlighted that Scortibello did not label O'Keefe's death a homicide, but rather as undetermined.
You still were unable to conclude the manner of death of Mr. O'Keefe, correct?
Correct.
Also, Judge Beverly Cannoni has now responded to a federal appeals court about the buffer zone on protest at the courthouse. She put out a new supplemental order that leaves in place many of the restrictions, but does specify that anyone who runs into trouble with police enforcing the buffer zone has a right to be seen by a judge right away. In Dedham, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.
And David is publishing his notes from the trial. You can follow along on WCVB.com/Karen Read. You can also stream every minute of this trial on our free Very Local app.